Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Choose 3 main colors plus 1 accent to guide everything. Open Settings and set a high-res wallpaper, 2560 x 1440 or 1920 x 1080 works best, and align it to the shelf position. Create a dedicated Chrome profile so themes, bookmarks, and extensions stay isolated. Once done, make sure your shelf is in the ideal spot. Top for minimalism, bottom for familiarity. These first actions. Next, customize the UI. Install a theme that matches your palette and set dark or light mode to contrast with your wallpaper. Replace app icons by pinning custom PNGs or using an icon pack extension for uniform shapes. This keeps the dock cohesive. Adjust shelf density, launcher grid, and font scaling so spacing feels intentional rather than crowded. Once these elements align, your Chromebook's interface reads as a single design, consistent, legible, and pleasant to use throughout the day. Finish with small but powerful polish. Change the cursor color or size, set pointer speed, and customize touchpad gestures for smooth navigation. Back up your theme and profile settings and take screenshots of your layout so you can restore it later. If something goes wrong, icons misaligned or theme not applying, reset the specific UI setting first, not the whole device. Often clearing the theme or disabling one extension fixes it. If persistent, then restore from the profile backup you saved.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.